Nasheen got you. Look. What do you think? Uh-oh. Aussie, that's not for you. Aussie. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he's absconding. Hold on, that's not yours. That's for Noah. Do you love it? Yay! No, it's not for Aussie. It's for Noah. No. Uh-oh. I see a problem. Uh-oh.
Aussie, no. Aussie, no. Aussie.
Okay, should I give it back to Noah? It's Noah's turn. You guys are sharing. That's so sweet. What a fun game. Do you love it? Yay! Okay. Bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye?